In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text italic in Google Vids. Whether you're spicing up your video projects or emphasizing certain words for clarity and effect, mastering the simple art of italicizing text can significantly elevate your content. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Google Vids. You might not be immediately familiar with Google Vids if you're used to working with docs, sheets, or slides. However, think of it as Google's versatile platform for video editing and creation, perfect for both novices and experienced content creators alike. You can find the platform by navigating to the Workspace section of Google, or simply search for Google Vids in your favorite browser to get started. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to sign in. Click on the sign in button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. If you're already logged into your Google account on another service, such as Gmail, you might not need to sign in again. However, if you're not, you'll need to choose the Google account you want to use with Google Vids. Select your preferred account from the list, or sign in with your credentials if your account doesn't appear automatically. After you've successfully signed into your account, it's time to get down to the nitty-gritty of italicizing text. Navigate to the specific video project you're working on. You can find your projects listed under your account, or if you were working on something recently, it might pop up right away. Once you've opened your project, locate the text you wish to italicize. This might be in a title, a subtitle, or any other text element you've added to your video. Click on the text box that contains your text. You'll notice that once selected, the text box might show handles around its edges, indicating that it's active and ready for editing. Now highlight the specific text within the box that you want to italicize. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the text with your mouse or touchpad. Make sure you've selected exactly what you want to emphasize. Nothing more, nothing less. With your text highlighted, it's time to apply the italic styling. Look for the italic icon on the ribbon menu at the top of the screen. It's usually represented by a slanted E. This menu, often referred to as the toolbar, houses various formatting options including bold, underline, and of course italic. By clicking the italic icon, you'll instantly see your selected text switch to an italic style, giving it that slanted, dynamic appearance that can make your words pop. If your text doesn't italicize right away, double check that you've correctly highlighted the text and that you're clicking the proper icon. Occasionally, clicking away too quickly or not having the exact text selected can result in no change. A bit of trial and error along with patience usually solves most issues. This simple process can be repeated throughout your video project, wherever you feel the need to emphasize text or make it stand out. Italicizing is a great way to add variety to your visuals and can be particularly effective in conveying tone or adding stylistic flair to quotes, titles, and more. Remember, while italics are a fantastic tool for emphasis and style, they're most effective when used sparingly. Overusing italics can make your project look cluttered or make it difficult for viewers to focus on the main content. Strike a balance between your regular and italicized text for a clean, professional appearance. And there you have it, a quick, easy guide to italicizing text in Google Vids. With this skill in your toolkit, you're well on your way to creating more engaging and visually appealing video content. Experiment with different text styles to see how they can enhance your projects, and most importantly, have fun with the creative process. Thanks for joining me today, and don't hesitate to replay this tutorial if you need a refresher. Happy editing!